What if I told you the future isn't so scary? Rising technology enhances a person's curiosity. Surging distractions receive no attention. A future where two wheels answer the question, what's next? What if I told you the future is beautiful, free, and alive? A future made for the risk takers, the freedom seekers, and edge runners. We made the choice, a choice to create technology that can push all boundaries of performance, design, and capability, all created to enhance the ride and the experience. This future is for all. This future is for us. This future is zero.